All right, today I'm gonna make you a cocktail that I've never had myself before. I've seen it on menus plenty of times, I've heard about it, but I just never got around to try it. So, today's the day. Oh, what cocktail am I making? The African flower. Bada bing, bada bing, boom, boom, bing. I'm pretty sure I saw the African flower for the first time a couple of years ago on the Lantern's Keep bar menu. But it was created at another excellent cocktail bar called Little Branch by a lady named Becky McFalls. And on a side note, I'm pretty sure that night at Lantern's Keep ended up with me falling asleep on the N train, waking up in Coney Island. Good times. So the ingredients are good quality bourbon, Amaro Cio Ciaro, Creme de Cacao, and orange bitters. And here's how you make it. This is a stirred cocktail, so you're gonna need a mixing glass, spoon, jigger, and your julep strainer, or any strainer, whatever strainer you have. You're gonna start by 2 dashes of orange bitters, 3/8 of creme de cacao, 3/8 of Amaro Cio Ciaro, and 2 ounces of your bourbon. And now we're just gonna get some ice for this. So for this cocktail, it's gonna be served over ice, so we only need to stir it briefly to combine the ingredients. So today, instead of fast forwarding, I'm gonna do this in slow motion. Garnish it with an orange twist. All right, let's try the African child. No, African flower. African child is from Get Him to the Greek with Jonah Hill and Russell Brand. It's a comedy, hilarious movie. If you haven't seen it, you should really watch it. But yeah, this is the African flower. So let's see how it is. Yeah, just as I expected, it's warming, slightly boozy, somewhat sweet, but the bitterness from the Amaro works really well with the creme de cacao and the vanilla notes from the bourbon, so it's a good one. I do enjoy it. Maybe it's because I made it, I don't know, because it's my cocktail now. Yeah, man, that's good. That's good. Yes. Let me just check my script here, see what I'm supposed to say. All right, now I remember. So anyway, thanks for watching, and feel free to subscribe to my channel, but if that's too much of a commitment, if we're moving too fast, a thumbs up, a big like, hit the button down there will do for now. Hit the like button, yeah. So I'll see you next time. Now I'm definitely gonna finish this, maybe on the balcony. Should I put a heater out there and look at the mountains? I mean, the sun is setting, so yeah. Seems appropriate. Called Little Branch by a young lady named Becky McFalls. McBacon. McNugget.